6 manipulative hacks that 95% of people learn too late. 1. Confusing people is always the best strategy. If someone insults you, pause for a second and look at them and say, "Are you okay?" Works every time. 2. If you think someone is lying, look at their eyes and don't say anything. 3. If you're in an argument, keep your voice calm. It'll give them the impression that you're winning the argument. 4. Good posture increases confidence. Spread your body out and take up more space. It'll lead to increased confidence. 5. Open with, "I need your help." People don't like the guilt of not helping someone out. When asking for a favor from someone, begin your request by saying, "I need your help." It greatly increases your chances of getting that favor done. 6. If you want someone to agree with you, nod while you talk. This gets the other person to nod too, and they begin to subconsciously think they agree with you. These are some of the manipulative hacks that most people don't know until it's too late. They can help you confuse, persuade, or dominate others, but they can also backfire or be immoral. Use them sparingly and responsibly.